And good morning, Facebook. The first Facebook Live of 2025. Hope we've all had a very awesome Christmas and New Year with your families and friends. You've had a nice break and now you're back at it. Well, I'm back down in the hub today. It's my first real day of work. We've got a bit of catching up to do from stuff left over from last year. And yeah, but here we are. Bright-eyed and bushy-tailed and ready to rock and roll. We hit the ground running. We've got ride-alongs coming on Friday this week, and then we've got a visit from Hella Gutman, one of our awesome community partners. They're coming next week. We've got a big box of goodies, all their latest kit and that. So we've got their marketing team. One of the big bosses, Fred, will be coming over, and their chief technical guy will be coming over. So lots and lots of stuff coming from Hella Gutman next week. And yeah, I really hope you can join us. So what's going on in the hub? Let's have a look. Let's turn the camera around if I can remember how to do it. It's been that long. There we go. So you see the hub's looking fantastic, nice and clean. Selena, the lady who looks after us, has been in yesterday and minted it all up, got rid of the cobwebs and stuff like that. And yeah, we're ready to rock and roll. All our partners, morning Horace, all our kit and equipment from our partners is all laid out nicely. The Zoom's running, the live Zoom's running, the technical support Zoom. And yeah, it's absolutely minted it, Selena. Well done, Selena. So yeah, Friday we got, like I said, we've got a ride along coming. And then next week, we've got a massive unboxing. Loads of goodies from Hella Gutman. Really can't wait for that. Like I say, Friday, one of our lucky subscribing members gets to sit in the red chair next to the fire in the VIP corner. So if you want to sit in that chair, get yourself subscribed to SimplyDiag.net. £15 a month or £150 for the year. And for that then you get the live technical support, which is on whenever I'm in the Zoom, whenever I'm in the workshop. I can share information with you. We can run through wiring diagrams. If you just want to chat, if you're having a bad day, jump into the Zoom, come and say hi. And yeah, and like I say, and if you want to come along, have a ride along, see everything that we've got in the workshop from our partners. Come down, have a bit of one-to-one training. So your ride-alongs are one-to-one. So you get me and the community hub all to yourself for the day. So if you're not already signed up, SimplyDiag.net, join for free. And then once your account's active, you can upgrade your membership then to either monthly or annual. So whatever you're doing this week, have an awesome week. Thanks for watching. You're awesome.